Hey there, this is Tito here from Skid Steer Solutions, and today I will show you how to charge your PDX-1000 and how to check the nitrogen levels. First, we'll remove the cap here to access the nitrogen port. So you'll take your 3/16 Allen key and remove your cap. After that's done, you can go over and grab your charge kit. So you'll take your charge kit, you put it onto your port there, and you'll thread it on. So once you thread it on, you'll close your bleeder valve and then you'll push your pin in. Now you're ready to charge. You want to charge your PDX-1000 to 20 bar. You open up your line and you'll watch your gauge as you go. Now that we've filled it up, you'll see the pin is pushed back out and you can open your bleeder valve. When you need to check your nitrogen levels, all you need to do is push this pin back in and it'll show you where you're at on your gauge. Perfect. And then you can just bleed it again. Now remove your charge kit. So now you're ready just to put your cap back on and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to Skid Steer Solutions.